So hi, my name is Dr. Angelo Gazze. I'm a chiropractor, and I'm here today just to talk to you about the benefits of adding a preventative maintenance program to your training regime. So with my patients, I use the analogy of a car. So your car is like your body. You take in your car for regular maintenance, hoping that it'll last longer, to prevent any repairs from occurring, and to make it run more efficiently. So you should be doing the same thing with your body. So with my patients, some of the modalities that I use to help with this is something called MRT, which is muscle release therapy. So what muscle release therapy is, it's just holding static pressure on the muscle fibers and taking it through its full range of motion. So with a lot of bodybuilders, they have a lot of muscle bulk, which limits their range of motion, and usually their muscles are very stiff and tight. So by putting that pressure on those muscle fibers and taking it through the range, it'll help release some of that tension and the adhesions in those muscles, which helps increase that range of motion. So by getting an increase in range of motion, you actually can have a better performance and you can have a decrease in injuries from occurring. Another benefit from using MRT is that it helps with recovery. So with doing the MRT, it actually increases the permeability of the muscle cells. So that will allow more fluid and nutrients to come into the muscle and help reduce or eliminate any of the metabolic byproducts from training, such as lactic acid. So that's how it'll decrease your recovery time. Another benefit that I usually find with some patients, which is huge, by using MRT, is by reducing the chances of getting injured. So when I go in and I start feeling the muscles, I'm feeling for any muscle tightness, I'm feeling for any trigger points, and I'm feeling for any adhesions that might be there, like scar tissue buildup. So by eliminating all of those things that will lead to an injury, it actually helps reduce the chances of getting an injury. So with my patients, once I've dealt with all the muscle issues, I usually move into the joints. Okay, so whenever I find tight muscles, usually the joint around those muscles are also stiff and tight and are locked up. So the modality used for that is called the chiropractic adjustment. So by doing an adjustment, I actually release the tension or the joint that's locked up to help increase that range of motion. So by doing that, it also helps release the muscle tension around that joint as well. And the same thing, increased range of motion will help prevent injury and also increase your performance. The third modality I use with some of the patients is called cupping. So with cupping, it's just releasing or getting rid of any stagnation that may be around the muscles. So it helps blood flow a lot smoother throughout all the muscles. And again, it increases the nutrients to the muscles, increases oxygen to the muscles, and also helps release or get rid of any of the metabolic byproducts such as lactic acid. So I hope I've shed some light on having a preventative maintenance program as part of your exercise regime and to be more proactive than being reactive. Thank you. Good. Okay, like this, and then down, nice and slow, all the way through. How's that pressure?
It's good.
Okay. Keep going. Down, 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 down. Good. Again, up, and then down. This is very tight. Is it tender?
I feel it.
Right there a little bit too, or
It's not as bad there.
more over here, right?
More lateral, yeah.